Hi there, authors. I'm Tisha McCrae, Bargain Booksy brand manager here at Written Word Media, and I'm going to share with you 7 tips on the best way to promote your book on Bargain Booksy. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is about picking your promo price. Bargain Booksy promotes books that are priced anywhere between 99 cents and $4.99. However, authors tend to see the most engagement from our audience when their book is priced at 99 cents. Your book should really pack a punch to see a sizable amount of engagement from our audience. That means it should be well reviewed and have a great cover and a compelling description. Tip number 2 is to plan to set your price ahead of your promotion. I recommend reducing the price of your book at least 24 hours before your Bargain Booksy promotion to ensure that your book is the right price on your promo day. Sometimes Amazon can be finicky about approving price changes, so you should definitely plan ahead. You should also plan the frequency of your promotions, which is tip number 3. We allow authors to promote a book on Bargain Booksy once every 30 days. This allows us to acquire new readers who will want to read your book. Some authors promote their books once every 30 days because they want to market to our readers as much as possible. Other authors will promote on 60 to 90-day cycles because they want to see big spikes of engagement from our readers. Decide what your promotional goals are and which frequency works best for you. Tip number 4 is about review requirements. Bargain Booksy has no minimum review requirement for standard features. We want to ensure that all authors can use our service no matter how far along they are in their author journey. However, it is worth noting that while there is no minimum review requirement for Bargain Booksy, the more reviews you have on your book, the better your book is going to perform during your promotion. If you promote without reviews, you may still see sales. However, your promotion may not be immediately ROI positive. Tip number 5 is that Kindle Unlimited availability impacts results. If your book is enrolled in Kindle Unlimited, the success of your Bargain Booksy promotion is going to be gauged not only by book sales, but also by KENP reads and their resulting Amazon payouts. Many of our Bargain Booksy readers are Kindle Unlimited subscribers, so when considering the efficacy of your Bargain Booksy promotion, you should look not only at book sales, but also at KENP reads. Tip number 6 is about genre choice. Picking the right genre for your book is critical to your promotion's success because you want to make sure that your book is being put in front of the right audience. If you're having a hard time deciding which genre is the best fit for your book, you can refer to our genre guide, which is linked in the description box below. Our genre guide provides descriptions on all of the genres that we offer and can help you better understand what our audiences are looking for. My last tip number 7, is that book covers matter. Throw out the idea that we should not judge books by their covers because that is exactly what readers will do. A reader's first impression of your book is the cover, so having a professional, eye-catching cover that makes sense to your target audience is going to be really important to having a successful promotion. Those are all the tips I have for you. I hope that this information has been helpful and that it helps you to have a successful Bargain Booksy promotion. If you need more information about how to prepare for a Bargain Booksy promotion, you can click on that link in the description box below. Best of luck to you on your author journey.